Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're starting a brand new Tamiya project, the Mini Cooper Racing MB-01 kit. We'll unbox it, build the chassis, install the electronics and finish off with a quick bench test. Let's get started. Classic Tamiya box art as always. Let's see what's inside. Everything's neatly packaged as you'd expect from Tamiya. That body shell is going to look amazing once painted, but for now we'll focus on the build. The MB-01 is a versatile chassis that allows different motor positions, with 3 different chassis lengths: short wheelbase, medium wheelbase and long wheelbase. Pretty clever from Tamiya. fit and finish is typical Tamiya. Everything slots together perfectly. Suspension is simple but effective for on-road racing, making it beginner friendly but still fun. Now that the rolling chassis is complete, it's time to install the electronics. Electronics test, steering looks sharp, throttle is smooth, everything's working perfectly. And that's it for today. The Tamiya Mini Cooper Racing MB-01 is unboxed, built and fitted with the electronics. In the next video we will tackle the body shell painting, apply the iconic mini decals and take it out for its first run. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.